Hello, my butterflies. Come back. Welcome back to Seth Vidya Mandir English High School and Junior College. I, your teacher, Rinku Dat Patel of Standard 1. And our subject today is Value Education. What we are going to learn today? What is the values we are going to learn today? Ta-da! Good manners! We are going to learn some good manners today. So let's check out, children. Read along with me. Say hello when you meet someone. Say hello when you meet someone. Say sorry when you are wrong. Say sorry when you are wrong. When someone thanks you, say welcome. When someone thanks you, say welcome. Say thank you when someone helps you or does you a favor. Say thank you when someone helps you or does you a favor. Greet your teachers every day with a smile. Greet your teachers every day with a smile. Say please if you want something. Say please if you want something. Be kind to animals. Be kind to animals. Do not interrupt when others are speaking. Do not interrupt when others are speaking. Do not talk with your mouth full. Do not talk with your mouth full. Always ask before borrowing somebody's things. Always ask before borrowing somebody's things. Knock, knock. Knock before you enter. Knock, knock. Knock before you enter. Be friendly with your neighbors. Be friendly with your neighbors. Treat old people with care. Treat old people with care. Give respect to your elders. Give respect to your elders. Say goodbye when you leave. Say goodbye when you leave. So children, let's recap quickly. Now I'm going to explain you all the points what we have read. Okay, the first one, say sorry when you are wrong. What does it mean? When you have done some mistake and you know you have done some mistake, so come forward and say sorry for it. Okay, like suppose in the kitchen room you have spilled something and you know you have done it and you're hiding from your mom, but you have to be a good boy or good girl and go and confess to your mom. Mommy, sorry, I did that thing. Okay. Be kind to animals. Be kind means you don't have to go, you don't have to throw stones or stick or anything on the animals, or you don't have to kick them, or you don't have to just pull their tail or ears. it is not good, na baby. You have to be kind to them. You should give them some biscuits or chapati. Okay. Greet your teachers every day with a smile. Whenever you come to school, you all greet your madam, no? Good afternoon, madam. How you all greet her? Like your faces are how? You have a smile on your face and you are very happy to come back to school. So, you greet your principal, you greet your teachers with a smile on your face. Give respect to your elders. Means you have to give respect to your elders. You have your grandparents, your mummy, your papa, those your teacher, these are elders to you, they are elderly to you. So you should give respect by listening to them and not back answering them, children. Treat old people with care. This means old people like grandma, grandpa, these people are very old, they are very delicate, they can't walk fast, they can't run very fast like us. So you should take care of them. They slip down sometime, they can't walk properly, they can't carry anything properly. So you have to help them and take care of them. Okay, babies? Then the next one, be friendly with your neighbors. Be friendly means you have to be very friendly. You don't have to fight with your neighbors every time. You have to be very friendly to them. Go to their house, help them if they want something, and so on. Say please when you want something. This means now you want a chocolate from your papa. Okay, so what you will say? Daddy, give me one chocolate. Like that you're going to say. Daddy will say, no, get lost. Isn't it? So what you will say? Please, Papa, get me that Kit Kat chocolate. No, please, please, Papa. So Papa will say, oh, my baby, so many times he's telling please, please, let me go and buy one for him or her. Isn't it? Okay. Knock before you enter. It is very important. Okay. Whenever you enter someone's room, you have to knock. Okay. Say goodbye when you leave. When you move out from your house toward the school, what do you say? Bye mama, bye papa, bye grandma. Isn't it? So say goodbye when you leave. Say thank you when someone helps you or does you a favor. This means, let me put an example. Suppose you got a cut on your finger and you can't write the notes what teacher has given. So now your friend is helping you for writing the notes. So what you are going to do? You have to thank your friend. It may be he or she. You have to say thank you. Okay? Because he or she has helped you to complete the notes. Isn't it? And it's a favor. If he or she wouldn't have written, so your book would have been incomplete, isn't? So you have to be thankful and you have to say thank you when someone helps you or does you a favor. Don't talk with your mouth full. What does this mean? Now suppose it's a break time and you're having something. Let's say you're having a biscuit and you want to, at the same time you want to talk to your friend also. So what you will do? You will put the biscuit in your mouth and say, hello, listen, I want to talk to you. This thing you shouldn't do it. First you talk and then you eat. Otherwise, eat up the biscuit and then you talk to your friend or whomever you want to talk. So don't fill your mouth and talk. Okay? Always ask before borrowing somebody's thing. Now this means, suppose today you didn't get a pencil or eraser and you want it. So what you will do? You will just pick up your partner's eraser and erase? No, that's bad. You have to always ask him or her, whoever your partner is, please may I take your eraser? Or please may I take your pencil? You have to always ask before borrowing somebody's things. Now the next one, say hello when you meet someone. What happens? Suppose for an example, in your house, uncle auntie has come or some guest has come. So what, they will come and they will just sit and stare at you? No, they will say, no, hello beta, what is your name, in which school do you go? What they will say? Hello. So you also have to say, hello uncle, I'm fine, I go to this school. Okay, you can say whatever question they give you, you can first say hello and then answer the question in line wise. Okay children, do not interrupt, very important. Do not interrupt when others are speaking. What does this mean? Interrupt means, it means you don't have, suppose your mommy and daddy is talking, you don't have to jump in and give your ideas over there. Let them have their talk. You shouldn't interfere in that. Okay? So, do not interrupt when others are speaking. Thank you, dear ones. I hope you have gained some knowledge and the video was helpful to you. God bless you. Bye till then.